a broker that can be found online and also on our apps, and it allows us to connect to our South African banks. We are able to buy stocks now, guys. When you talk about stocks, we can talk about shares that are found in Capitec, we can talk about shares that are found on Standard Bank, Coca-Cola, we can even buy overseas stocks. But in order for you to use EasyEquities, you need to understand it. This is an updated video showing you everything that you need to know when it comes to EasyEquity. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel we make money online. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. Okay, so after logging in, you will see the screen. So every time when you get lost, just click this logo and you will see the portfolio page. So under portfolio, you will see that there is this my account. So it's 3 accounts: my ZA account, my TFSA, my BE share scheme. So if you have properties as well, it will be listed there. So when you click invest now, this is you wanting to buy. That is if you do have money funded in your account. I'll show you where to buy, and then you can buy ZA, you can buy TFSA, you can buy USD. But what I want you to do, don't click the top part, just go on your right hand side and click equities, ETFs, or even crypto. So when you click there, ZA is selected, so it will show South African shares. So you can just click whatever you want to click and then you can buy. But then I want us to go to cryptocurrencies, but I'll focus more on cryptocurrencies later. Let's just fund money. So you go to my funds and then you click fund your account. So funding your account, you can fund using an EFT method where you will get details. So let's click fund. Before it used to be on the left hand side, but now you can find it there. So when you click deposit, you'll be given an option to select the type of bank that you are using and the banking details. But remember, with each and every banking detail that you are going to send, there's also a reference that you need to use. I will show you the reference. So let's just say here you have options of buying card payment, EFT, instant EFT if you want the money to reflect now. So when you click EFT, just make sure that you select the bank that you are using. So let's say you are using Standard Bank. You will see the account number, the bank, and then the reference that you need to select. Let's say you are using Capitec. So Capitec is linked to EasyEquity. So when you go to your app, you'll be able to do that. Let me just go to my app so you can see. So when you see, you can add this widget and you'll be able to connect straight to EasyEquity. That way, when you want to transfer money, you can just easily transfer money the same way we are transferring from one account to another. So you only do the linking once, and after you'll be able to buy. You just click allow and enter your details. It will take you to a screen where you'll be able to select EasyEquity. And then now you can also use banks like ABSA, and then this is the reference that you must always use, because otherwise if you use something different, the money won't go into your account. So when you want to withdraw the money, let's say you made profits, you bought shares, they were cheap, and now the value went up. You want to withdraw your money, you can just easily withdraw. So all you do, you add your banking details. So mine is already added and verified, but you can also add. So you will see a link which says add your bank account. So then it will be verified. So this is how you actually withdraw from here. But then maybe we'll do another video showing you. So let's say you want to transfer money from one account to another, because remember EasyEquity has different accounts, ZA, USD, properties as well. You can transfer. So for me, I am transferring from ZA to my TFSA. So my ZA, this is where the money will reflect when I deposit money. And then let me just show you with whatever sense I have. So next thing I like about EasyEquity is that even one rand, you can start processing, you can buy shares on that. So you just accept and click transfer now. So after clicking transfer now, the money will move from ZA into my TFSA. So we'll talk more about TFSA when the time comes. So there's EasyCredits, and then with credits you can buy credits and use credits to do different activities on EasyEquities. So we don't need to do that now because I don't see really the benefit that much. But if you want to buy, you can buy these credits here. So let's move on now and go to these arrows. So can you see the first one is EasyEquities, the second one is EasyProperties. So now you can buy a portion of shares for properties that are being developed. So you have to actually add this account because it is a different account. So you basically activate your account and it will open. So you accept terms and conditions and then click activate EasyProperties. So there's many RAs, there's TFSA, there's crypto. You have to actually activate these accounts if you want to use them. So now we are under EasyProperties, and now you can just fund this wallet. So remember, you will fund into your ZAR account and transfer the money to what? To EasyProperties. So that's how you will basically transfer. So now you can also you can also fund directly from EasyProperties by just selecting your banking details. So now these are the properties that are currently available. As you can see, already they are looking for 7.9 million. You can read what is funding target, what happens. So you're basically owning a share of this these properties. So they are building this, and then you will be getting your dividends each and every time, maybe if they get people to stay there. So if you have enough money, you can even buy a large portion of this share. So you have to do your research carefully, because when it comes to properties, the money is high, but you can even put 100 rand, but I don't see you getting much value if you put 100 rand. I think maybe it has to be more. So when it comes to refer and you basically get your referral link. When people join, you will save on your fees. So if you don't have the referral link, just click the WhatsApp or the email or the Facebook. It will give you a link to your EasyEquity. Let's go back and move on to the next one. So the next one is EasyCrypto. This is also a separate account now. Before, we never used to have it as a separate account. So you accept the terms and conditions as well to add their account. You will not be able to add this account without accepting. You will not be able to buy actually without activating this account. So now that is activated, we'll be able to buy cryptocurrencies, and I like the way they've added more cryptocurrencies. So there's Bitcoin, there's Tether, there's XRP, there's even more that you can buy on EasyCrypto. So before, you would buy this maybe like at Binance, at wa, at KYC, at KXY, at Coinex, but now you can buy this directly here. So nice thing about EasyEquity is they've added so many things. It is becoming so interesting. And if you want to buy EasyEquity share, I think it's under PayPal Group, but we'll talk more about that. So if you want to buy crypto, so you have to also transfer money to this account. Remember the inter-transfer. You deposit your money into your ZAR account and then transfer it to EasyCrypto. So now if you want to see how the crypto is doing, let's say for this one, you'll know that back in 2024, the price was different. So let's see max. You see that 2021, this was the price. And in 2024, it was 6 rand. Now it is 3 rand. So basically, this is the right time to buy because it has gone low. So that when it goes up, that's how you make your profit. So you can even, I think, put alerts. But then I'll just have to check it for you guys so that we know how to put alerts. Because we cannot keep checking this all the time as if we have time. So there's even Pepe. So Pepe is actually high volatility. So you have to understand before buying it. So it's one of those that you have to check first. So when you click max, you'll see how this crypto, the reason why they're saying it's high volatile, you'll see that it goes up fast, it comes down. So we have to be very careful when we are buying this one. So since it's cheap, load as much as you can, because one day you'll never know when this crypto will go up. So let's go to EasyAcademy. This is where you learn, and I think you get points for learning. So you can just go and learn about crypto. You can learn about buying the dip versus risk and reward. You can learn about Drive. You can learn about closer look at EasyEquity 3.0. I think this is the system. So you can just go and learn about what it means to comparing ETFs and unit trust. So you will get more understanding, because we really do need to be knowledgeable, and EasyEquity has done this for us. Let's go back again and then we will see more. So Easy Mortgage as well. It is all about mortgages, but I didn't find anything. I think the page wasn't available. So I ended up going to EasyCredit. So if you want to apply for loan, you can apply for loan, but you do need to have a collateral. So maybe they'll say something like, maybe you use your house as a collateral, or maybe your car. I don't know what they use. So you can just go and read more on this, and then you will understand more before borrowing money. You can borrow up to 300,000, but they want to place something that you have of value, maybe your pension fund, maybe, I don't know. So you'll just have to read even more. So you go back again to that part to see even more. Remember, I said to you guys that when you want to see more, you always go back to EasyEquity, the page, and then you'll be able to see even more. So if you want to buy USD, you can click invest now and you will see all the options that are available. And then you can just click USD or TFSA or RA. You can just, this is a retirement annuity. So maybe you have money somewhere saved. You can just transfer it to here and money. So let's go to USD. You can see how to buy. I always say go and check the share that you want, the Citigroup. There's even more Coca-Cola. You can just select more. So for me, let's just say you're looking for Netflix. You can just type there and look for Netflix. And then it will show you guys, and then you'll be able to buy. There's Tesla as well. Then you'll be able to buy. This is another way for you to easily buy. So let's go now to crypto. I already covered this one, so we're just going to go quickly and just see. So you click invest now as well, and then you will see the type of crypto that are available in this screen. So you can customize the screen and see what you want to see. So now let's continue again. Let's say you want to buy Capitec share. So this is just to show you how to buy our share. You go to ZA and then you select Capitec and then you select South Africa. Remember, the money will be here because you already deposited the money. And then once the screen shows, you can see how this share is doing by just going to 1 month, 3 months. So these 3M, 2M is months. So 6M and then max is when it is started. So you see when it started when you click max. So you just scroll and see that, okay, back in 2014, the price was this. Now it is around 2,000 something. Then you'll be able to see how many shares you can buy. So let's say you have money in your account. You can just specify maybe 200 or 100, and then it will show you the number of shares that you will get. And then you just click once off, and then you'll be able to buy. You can also buy recurring, saying maybe every month, buy a share automatically, and it will do that for you. So now let's just continue as well so we can see. Let's go to demo now. You went to invest now, and then you okay, let's go back. You click home, and then after clicking home, you selected at the bottom, you will see that there is a demo ZAR and a demo USD. So demo is for you to practice, because really we do not know when we start these things, and we want to practice. If I play with money, so you're given 100,000 rand to practice. So with me, I did buy 3 stocks, and currently it looks like I've made 64 rand. So you go to all holdings to see which stocks you bought. So this is what I bought. I bought Absa, AB InBev, Capitec. So as you can see, these stocks are doing well. So this shows you, it's like a simulation to show if I did buy this in real life, not using the fake money, then this is the profit that I will make. So much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this video with many people. Thank you so much for watching.